I have no idea what song you're thinking.
Come on, maybe.
Oh no! Jika kau fikirkan kau boleh.
Oh my god, that is so bad.
Still so many flags. Haven't removed them here in Putrajaya. Somebody said his boss got conference at 7. Does the boss not know that people don't work at that time?
You can actually go through 10 minutes.
10 minutes what?
Start at 6:30.
Oh no, the guy fell down. Well, he literally fell because the other guy won. Anyway, the amount of flags they have in Putrajaya, I think they spend the whole budget here. Madness. I really do hope that all these flags and poles get recycled.
Yeah, I should take one pole for my Ferrari flag, right?
Very lost already, bro.
It's quite long.
Alright.
Prepare for next season, bro.
Alright.
Verstappen's going down.
It's okay, man. Upcycle, upcycle. Afternoon and it's 5:30. We don't normally ride at this time, but because Mervin has a meeting at 7, so we have to do it early, and it's really hot. Well, I'm used to riding in hotter conditions, but normally we ride in the evening on weekdays. Anyway, quite a bit of cars now, people coming back from work. And he has to come so right close to us.
Morning on the full sentence. I was like, yeah.
Now better,
Okay.
see? Now, see? Just because there's a wind doesn't mean you have to pedal harder.
Yeah. Go arrow. You behind.
Right.
Drop. Like good.
Wayang kulit. Yeah, man. This is where people come and send their recyclables and get money. Yeah, I think so. You can sell your cooking oil, newspaper, everything. They'll think about everything here. It's kind of cool. Why is the Tetra Pak your competitor? I thought they only make packaging.
No, they're packaging machine.
So if you like Mervin, do not buy Tetra Pak. Buy something else.
Huh? What?
So if you like Mervin, don't buy Tetra Pak.
Yes.
But if you don't like him, then buy Tetra Pak.
Nemo. Hey, let's go. What's this? Rest time.
Somebody was coughing just now.
Yeah?
Because he was
So we
doing...
shouldn't stop. Yeah, I'm coughing because too hot. I need a wind, man. Come on.
I see.
Let's go, let's go.
Alright, let's go. I do like this road though.
Yeah, it's quite nice, right?
Yeah, very scenic, a lot of trees. Like the one part of Putrajaya that's so cooling.
Feel the temperature changes, right?
Yes!
Oh, there's another bin here.
Where's all the... Those are the recyclable bins. I don't know.
Oh yeah, that day I went to Singapore, right?
Yeah?
You know those normal bins that you put by the stalls?
Yeah?
They paint it and then they make it look like minions. You know the two eyes?
Yeah?
Yeah, so that's where you put your rubbish in.
You,
Paint left, right.
you decide, man. You the one without boss who wants to screw you up later at 7. Not me. I'm just gonna go home and relax. Cook dinner. Look at that! All 3 lights are on! He's playing with his phone. Ouch! Alright, Mom. Lead us home. I'm doing 300 watts and I'm getting dropped. Alright, we're heading home now. Mervin is trying his very best to maintain a zone 2 effort using the breathing technique, but I don't think he's properly grasped the method yet because he seems to be going way too hard on every single hill and then going way too slow every downhill. Hey, what's going on here? Hey, camping. No, they're not camping. Alright, let's head home. Actually, Mervin, the only reason you want to go home is because you want to watch football, right?
Yeah, man.
Who's playing today? England?
England against Iran.
Huh?
England against Iran.
Iran. Now I know why they close off the bike lane. It's terrible. Borderline dangerous. Concludes the impromptu Monday evening ride. Anyway, it was just out of the blue that we wanted to go for a short ride around Putrajaya, and now heading back, make myself some dinner, and yeah, do like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you, bye.